back to my YouTube channel. It's Mary and Omobode here. It's been ages. What's been popping? What's been happening? I'm back with another makeup tutorial. It's been a while. If you're a returning subscriber, I know I've said a lot already, and now I'm introducing myself. Anyways, Mary and Omobode here. Welcome back to my channel, bringing beauty to your screen. You know the vibes. Okay, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me do my thing. If this is your first time of coming here, my name is Marian Omobode. In my channel, I create content for vlogs, beauty, and lifestyle, and probably any other juicy thing in between. So please stick around. You're gonna love it here. Trust me. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. Okay, so let's get right into this beauty. So in today's video, guys, I am going to be showing you guys a little bit of how my makeup has improved, if I put it like that. I've added a few things. Usually I'll just do my primer and foundation, powder, all of that. But now, again, it's just a toner. Yeah, I usually don't use all those things because I used to do this. My skin is okay, and all of that, but I'm trying to, as much as it's okay, I'm trying to learn how to maintain it better. So I'm going to be using like a toner, moisturizer, and then before a primer, before foundation. I'm going to clean my face with this. I've been using this for a while now, so it's actually nice. Like, it helps. I will not even go into detail really, because I am still trying to figure out the whole skincare routine thing. But basically, I know I've been using this for a while actually. Like I said before, like after cleaning my face with wipes and I take my bath, I tend to use this like an after clean, and it takes out a lot of things that I thought I actually washed with soap and water. Yeah, I got a moisturizer. Please don't ask me about the cover. No, don't do that. I don't know where the cover is. I'm not even going to lie. I don't know where the cover of this Zaron Skin Regenerating Hydrating Serum is. Yeah, bear with me. This is Maybelline Face Studio Prime. So I'm going to be looking at this direction a bit because my mirror is here. And I'm going to go in with this Flawless Ivy Foundation. Like, I've had this for a while as well. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of foundation. For my under eye, I'm going to be using this Glam's makeup thingy and Zaron. So this is what I learned. People don't really consider their eyes like this anymore. They just put like here and a little bit here, but we're getting there. And then again, they use like 2 shades concealer for the under eye because apparently it tends to make you work better. So what you do is, when you apply this concealer, which I just did, which is more like your normal skin tone concealer, you go in with a lighter shade, probably 2 shades lighter than you. Go in with a lighter shade. So I'm going to be using this one from Zaron, and this is light AZ05. It's actually light, just a little bit in my under eye. When you apply liquid concealers under your eye, do not blend it out immediately. Let it sit for a bit before brushing it out, before blending it out. Reason being that it tends to give a fuller coverage. I'm going to be using this Pro Con Ellie Girl. Like, do you know the magic of this Ellie Girl? You don't bring it down. No, you don't do that. You just take it up a bit like this, and then you brush. If you're using brush, you tend to like brush it upwards instead of taking it down, because it gives a more defined look to your face. These 3 shades Zaron palette: the light, the dark, and the bronzer. So I'm going to use the dark part for my contour a little bit. I'm going to go in with this shade and mix it with this pink cheekbone and a little bit high up. I'm going to just dust the excess off because I really don't want too much. Up here, just like that. a little on my nose, and yeah, see, just one point everywhere. So I'm going to draw my eyebrow right now. I like keeping my brows simple. If you know me, you know I like keeping it simple, straight to the point. My eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Masquerade Mini by Juvia. Let me give you guys a little background story on this eyeshadow palette. Yeah, I've had this eyeshadow palette since while I was in school. That was when I got this eyeshadow palette, and then I really did not even know what or who Juvia was till of recent. Let me be very sincere. Till of recent, I was just going through Instagram, and there were some products I was seeing people use, and the way it looks on their skin, I was like, this looks so nice. And then I was like, this is actually very old. Let me show you guys what it looks like. And then I decided to go and check like the palettes that they use, like from which company and all of that. And then I realized it was Juvia, and I was like, their product is so nice. Like everything that they use, even down to their liquid eyeshadow, it's so nice. And then one of the videos I was watching, that was when I saw someone do a full eyeshadow work with this palette, and I was like, I have that palette. So that is the palette that I've been using for years, and I did not even know that Juvia is a big deal, basically, because they have a reasonable amount of followers on Instagram and all of that, and their product actually look very nice. And I was like, so that's the Juvia. I was so happy when I found out that I have their products, as if I won lottery. What can I say? One thing I actually like their eyeshadow for, it's well pigmented, like just a little bit. You're seeing how beautiful it looks already, like it comes out really well. That's another thing I like their product for. There's this purple here, it's tempting me, like I really like it, so I think I'm just going to put a little bit of this purple like on it to see what it looks like. Just playing with eyeshadow today, basically. Yeah, it's actually nice. It's giving. It's actually nice. Like basically it's just giving a different look. And I love what it's doing to the eyes. Actually, I love it. I love it. So I'm going to go in with like a little brush to give it a little bit of something in my tear dot area. Yeah. Okay, so I had to apply my lashes off camera because me and lashes tend to fight. I'm always going to admit that. It's easier for me to apply it on someone than to apply it on myself. So yeah, but the lashes these days, I think they're beginning to obey me because this wasn't really that difficult to apply. So right now I'm just going to, I haven't applied powder yet, so I'm going to apply this Maybelline Fit Me. I've had this for a while. Just going to touch up my face a little bit because at this point I probably have a lot going on, so more like finished touch. For the lip, you already know, nude, straight to the point, no plenty. Nope, the eyes are already doing all the talking I need to do. So we're going to go straight to the lip, and I'm loving this look, and I'm loving the way the lashes is making my eye look. So for the lip, I'm using I don't know. It doesn't have a name. It doesn't have a name. Yeah, I can't really remember where I got it from, but I'm just realizing it doesn't have a name on it. It has been working for me anyway, so I'm going to use this and my brow pencil. I love the way this make my lips look, so, and it's quite nice. Just going to go over it and apply lip gloss, dress my hair, and I'll be right back. I'm done with my lip, I'm done with my face. Now another trick that I've learned is to do your setting spray like that. It's like you're putting it everywhere. So this little trick that I learned, that they tend to put their setting spray on the beauty blender because it tends to like soak into the skin, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm doing right now. Is it giving? Is it giving? Please, people should be able to speak with this giving. Today is my niece, so I will call her out. It's my niece, and but she's not gonna put it in my mouth. She has been saying it's given since I started this video. It's given, it's given. So we can hear us in the background. I actually enjoy doing this video. Like, I haven't done a full face video or a full face makeup in a while. Like, I actually enjoy doing this video. Oh, hopefully you learned something, and I'm going to try and put out more makeup videos so you guys will pick out a thing or two. If you have any suggestion of what my next makeup tutorial video should be like, just drop it. I'm definitely going to look into it. So yes, if you've gotten to this point, you know the vibes. Thank you so much. Yes. Why am I hyped? God. Anyways, thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Bye.